So guys, salad for today. 1, 2, 3. Ito yung 3 on the right. 1, 2, 3. Gawin na natin pulang dinikot. Feeling ko kasi ang dami. Tawag mo ang team, hawak mo ang piyesta ng gabi. Ayan. So, may spare ribs ako. I have my spare ribs. This one. Ito yung salad namin for dinner. So, pok. Ayun na maraming. So, vinegar, salt, and toyo, and sugar. And water. So guys, lagyan natin water kasi maasim. Ayoko na masyadong maasim. Masakit sa tiyan. Right. So, this is my salad today. Chilling for my dinner. Sarap diba? Kasi wala namang chili. I need to put chili powder. Girl. Maasim. Nilagyan ng tubig guys kasi maasim masyado. Masama yung maasim sa tummy. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and visit my YouTube channel. New recipe guys. I cook spare ribs, fried spare ribs and salads. This is for today for my dinner.